at absolute value equations. When you are asked to find the absolute value of a positive number, you get a positive result. Absolute value of a negative number, you still get a positive result. So what then does it mean? It simply means that this is the origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3, -4. This is what it means. This thing here means that you are moving 4 units to the right and 4 units to the left. That's the meaning of the absolute value, magnitude. So it's either you are moving 4 units to the right or 4 units to the left. As simple as that. So how can you tell if it was a negative? Because at the end of the day, both of them are giving you positive results. So how can you tell if whatever was here was negative or positive? You get me? So when anytime you are given an absolute value equation to solve, make sure you equate the absolute value function to both the positive and the negative results. And when you get your answers, you have to verify them. You place it back or substitute it back into the original function to check the validity. So now we can solve questions. Let's find this. We are given this. So we can have 2x minus 5 equals 9, or 2x minus 5 equals -9. Then we solve for both of them. So here 2x equals 9 plus 5. Here 2x equals -9 plus 5. Here we get x equals, this gives us 14 on 2. And here we get x equals -4 on 2. We are having 7 here. We are having -2 here. Now we have to verify the two answers. So let's plug this into that and see if we are going to get 9. Then you plug this into that and see if we are going to get 9. So 2 times 7 will give us 14. 14 minus 5, that will give us 9. And absolute value of 9 is 9. So this answer is correct. Let's check this. 2 times -2 is going to give us -4. Then minus 5. We are going to get absolute value of -9, which is also equal to 9. So our solutions are correct. As simple as that. So anytime you are given absolute value functions, make sure you solve and verify your solutions. We have another example here, 3x plus 1. So what do we do? So x minus 2 equals 3x plus 1, or x minus 2 equals -3x plus 1. The positive and the negative, you check both sides. So here we have, let me bring the 1 here. So -2 minus 1 equals 3x minus x, or x minus 2 equals -3x plus 1. So here we have -3 equals 2x. And here, bringing this 3x here, it becomes 4x. Sending it there, the -2 here becomes 3, since we'll add the 1. X equals -3 on 2. And here, x equals 3 on 4. So after finishing, we have to verify our answers. So let's check the first one. Absolute value of -3/2 minus 2. Is it the same as 3 times -3/2 plus 1? So everything here gave me -7/2. Everything here also gave me -7/2. But absolute value of this should give us a positive. And this is definitely not equal to this. So we can't accept this solution. Now let's verify this one too. We have absolute value of 3/4 minus 2. Let's equate it to 3 times 3/4 plus 1. Okay, so I realized we made a mistake somewhere along the way here. When you equated this to negative of everything here, the negative must affect the 3x and the 1. So here should be -1. Okay, then crossing this to this side, making 4x, and bringing this here, we have -1 plus 2. So that's 2 minus 1. So here should be 1. So we have x to be 1 on 4 over here. So here should be 1/4 minus 2. And here should also be 1/4. So let's check it out again. So after plugging in my values, I have this side to be negative 7 over 4. Here should be 7 over 4. So absolute value of this, we are going to get 7 over 4, because for absolute values, we shouldn't get a negative answer. And this is correct. So you can see we had two solutions, minus 3 on 2 and 1 on 4. But this was the one that worked. So at the end of the day, x is equal to 1 over 4. So always verify your solutions. What if you saw something like this? Absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals absolute value of 4x plus 9. You do the same thing. So 2x minus 1 equals 4x plus 9, or 2x minus 1 equals negative 4x plus 9. And please be careful so you don't make the mistake again. The negative must affect everything there. So let's see. 2x minus 1 equals, alright, let me just cross this there and that one there. Minus 1 minus 9 equals 4x minus 2x. Here we have 2x minus 1 equals minus 4x minus 9. Minus 10 equals 2x. 2x plus 4x equals minus 9 plus 1. X equals minus 5. 6x equals minus 8. X equals minus 4 on 3. We have two answers and we have to verify them all. So here we get minus 10 minus 1 minus 11 absolute value, minus 20 plus 9 still get minus 11 absolute value. So 11 equals 11. So turns out our negative 5 is correct. Then you can check this one too out. Yeah, so I verified the minus 4 on 3, putting it into both sides. We are going to get this. So yeah, 11 over 3 equals 11 over 3. So turns out this one too also work. So x is equal to negative 5 or negative 4 on 3. This is how you solve absolute value equations. In our next video, we'll look at absolute value inequalities. Kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.